A malaria-free world. Malaria used to be a worldwide problem. In 1945, the disease was prevalent around the globe, except in northern countries like Norway, Sweden, and Iceland. Today, malaria has been wiped out in North America, Europe, and Australia. However, it still rages in some areas of Africa, China, the Middle East, and Latin America. The ideal, of course, is to destroy the disease completely, but many countries do not have the resources to win that long, difficult, expensive battle. The best they can do is control the disease. To control malaria, nations work to prevent most cases of the illness. Strategies include using bed nets, decreasing mosquito populations, and effectively treating those with the disease. When malaria is controlled, fewer people die of the disease. There are other benefits as well. Fewer adults miss work because of the illness, and fewer children are kept out of school. As a result, these countries fare better socially and economically. However, many countries strive to wipe out malaria completely. This is considered to have happened when less than 1% of a country's population is infected. Getting rid of malaria means treating all cases, even mild ones, with great dedication. Not only are the sick people treated, but the families and neighbors are tested for malaria. Some people may carry the disease, but may not show any symptoms or feel ill. Regardless, they must take a series of drugs to clear their bodies of malaria. There are complications to this process, though. The most common malaria strain in these countries is called Plasmodium vivax. This strain of parasite can live inactive in the liver for years. It is more difficult to detect this inactive form of malaria. Also, the drug used to treat it can be fatal in some cases. A safer solution is to space the drug dosages out over 2 weeks. However, some people object to taking the medicine in the first place because they do not feel sick. Without cooperation from its citizens, a country cannot effectively beat malaria. Even when a country becomes malaria-free, it must still keep watch for new cases. People visiting from other countries may bring malaria with them. Thus, countries must always keep control measures in place to prevent an outbreak of the disease. Despite these problems, countries like to say that they have beaten malaria. Tourism often flourishes in malaria-free countries in contrast to those still struggling with the disease. Some scientists believe that malaria can one day be completely wiped out across the globe, but until then, countries have to look at the situation realistically. While they may wish to destroy malaria quickly, they must understand that the process is unfortunately not so simple.